Hi again, YouTube. I'm kind of rushing to get this one video done because I just opened up Lilac from Dreamer Designs and I was looking to see what storage system I was going to put her in, and I've had a delivery from Amazon which I thought was Elizabeth Ward, and it's not. So they probably used Elizabeth Ward's name as like a little bait to get you to click on this. This is actually Bead Storage Design. Oh no, wait a minute. It says 2013 Elizabeth Ward and Company. Oh my God. I was getting really pissed that I didn't have an Elizabeth Ward system. Okay, I don't know why her name is not on the box, but here, you take a look. Okay, so I opened up the box. They had these removable labels inside, and then this was on top, and then this was on top, and it was sealed. So this is the Elizabeth Ward storage system. I believe that there are, it was inside this little dust jacket. Here's all the specs here. 13.75 inches by 10.5 inches by 1.75 inches. If you want to get your little crafting area together, I'm wondering how big this is. This is the 82-piece set of, I believe, the small trays. So this is all new to me. You can see how she's picking them up here. This is all new to me, this storage system and how it works. So you take one out, and it kind of, I thought it kind of looked like it opened up. Oh, it does. Oh yeah. Oh no, it opens up here, but it doesn't open up here. This is just like a little finger pinch for you to pick them up. So there's 82 of these small guys. I'm gonna link it on the bottom about what I paid, because I think I paid about $50-something for both. Okay, so I opened this one up because I thought, I don't see Elizabeth Ward written anywhere on here. So let's close this up. That's the way it goes. I'm rushing. I have a contractor in my house, and he has to come down here to tint my front window. And I will open up the second one that I have, which I got a mix here. So let me get this up higher so we can get a good look. Here. I keep cutting myself off, I'm sorry. So here's the larger one that I have. Okay, and this is assorted, so I believe it has large, medium, and small. So let's take a look. It is the same 13.75, 10.5 inches by 1.75. It's the same size tray. It's just different storage inside. Put you there. So same dust cover. Open it up. Nice lid. 2 packages of labels. And this is the only place I see 2013 Elizabeth Ward and Company LLC on the top here. There's one in this one. There was 2 in the other. Okay. Maybe because there was 82 pieces in the other. So here is this one. So you can see when you have your bigger bags or maybe multiple bags of drills, your medium. So there's 3 of the extra large. This looks like it would be large. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of the large. This would be medium. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 of the medium. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 13 of the small. So the ones that we just, they all open the same way from the top. They have a nice click, little finger pinch, put them back. What I love about it is when you are doing any type of confetti and you just need, or you missed a few symbols and you put your storage back, you could just open this up and just stick your stylus in and go in. So this is something that I'm saving this for the Winter Fox. So if I have 3 larger, I'm really going to have to see what my kit is broken down into. But I think what I'm going to do, there was nothing really big in lilac from Dreamer Design I just won't use the smaller trays and kit that up because she is so adorable. I just want to get her started. Okay, so then there's your trays. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of, you know, your bake pan that you would use to bake a cake. It's just like maybe an inch bigger because it's 13 by 7.5 long, but 10.5 wide, and it's under 2 inches tall. So, put my dust cover back on. Yeah, I'm really excited to get started with this system, especially for these bigger kits that I have. Even though I use it was nice to have the little ziploc type baggies for the moon, and not have to, you know, save time kitting up. But and I like the little Joies that I bought, these little cubes that I bought over at Aldi for $3.99, and they're holding all my little ziploc type bags. They have 3 compartments in there. There they go. And I put all my ziploc drills that's from Diamond Painting Shop. They came in the little ziploc baggies. Let me see, I have it right here. I put my little label on the top and say this is the way they came, and with the little ziploc top. So easy, and I still have room, and I believe that there's 40 something colors in this one. I didn't write it on here. I should do that. It's a learning process. As you keep going, you learn what you want to do, especially if you're filming, so you don't have to keep, and you want to like just kind of pop something in. So I just took this is not glued on the top, just so I know that this is what the drills are in here. I might keep them in here. I might, you know, de-kit this and use it for something else. I'm not sure, but I really wanted to get to work on these trays, and they're back in their box, and I got that done. So this is the mixed one, and this is the one with the 82 smaller trays, which I think will be enough for the Dreamer Design. I didn't see anything too big in there, and if I have multiple bags, that's not a problem. I will use, I'll just keep them on the side. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you for being patient with me as I rush through these videos, but it's been a while since I had this system, and I'll link it down below. I got these on Amazon. I believe I got both kits for under $60. It was 50 something for both, so that's pretty good. All right, have a good one. Bye.